fuck. Hi guys. Einen Moment. Okay.
There you go.
I gotta get used to that clutch.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's try this again.
All you did is make the crack a little bigger.
I think I'm still getting used to the friction zone and stuff.
At 0 miles an hour. Those are the best ones.
That'll buff right out. I don't think we have to mention that to Wim.
Bill went down.
What, Bill went down again?
We don't have to mention that to Wim. Listen, it was the same side as before.
That's what the holdup was
There's
at the
nothing
beginning.
like a 0 mile an hour
I
drop.
fucking stalled trying to do the uphill.
The uphill.
You know, it was a
Now
little.
the case is
I
really
stalled
now
in the
it's really
fucking
broken.
parking lot and it fell over. Okay.
It was on the damage
And I was
anyway.
saying, it's a good thing I'm a trained professional, or I'd be dropping the bike every day. Here, every other day.
You're gonna do that clutch friction excuse again, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this time we have video. I mean, I was sitting there waiting. So.
What is odd is that
How stupid I am?
the day before you took the bike, I rode it from Seefeld. I did a whole loop
Yeah,
around
but
and
did
stuff.
you stop, or did you
Yes.
just ride?
Well, obviously, when you go somewhere, you have to set off from somewhere, you know?
Oh, right, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, okay.
And I stopped at some places to take some notes and stuff. And how many times did I drop it?
No.
Naught.
No,
What? So
I've stopped and started a lot more than you have.
this is true. This is true. So statistically,
Yeah.
I'm
You
still
didn't
at
get there yet.
naught.
Okay.
But it's
yeah.
hard to make a trend analysis with only 2 data points.
This is true. This is true.
It's the same side.
It'll buff out.
It'll buff out.
Yeah.
It's insured.
It was 0 miles an hour.
a tour?
0 miles an hour.
0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the friction thing.
And you know what?
It is. It's
I
the
hit
friction
the
thing.
same part of my damn leg. Yeah.
But when you feel it falling over, you know, just step off it. Yeah,
But this is the high side leg. It's like as I'm falling off, it's hitting the foot peg or something.
okay.
Yeah.
It was a vicious tank slap.
Oh no, this is the low side. No, right? No, it felt. No, this is the high side. Falling that way as I'm like getting
Why
off.
would you call that the low and the
my
high
my
side?
foot hits right here, I think. Oh,
Why,
that shouldn't
why would
even be
you? Why
there,
would you
yeah.
call this low and that high?
I thought you went this way, so you'd hit that.
Where does that come from?
Low and high?
Yeah.
From German, you have low Deutsch and high Deutsch. And,
Genau.
Yeah.
But why do you call one side of a bike a low side and one side a high side?
The low side was the one that was on the ground. Yeah. The high side wasn't.
You're making this
I
up.
think you've heard them all, haven't you?
That's a good one. So it's nice of you to all stop here, but this wasn't a stop. But okay, I would
know.
take
You
a
know,
break.
the last
right.
bike I shifted a lot, the Victory,
This was not a
had-
stop, but
had-
if everyone stops, we
had
make a stop.
low revs, the low end grunt.
Sure,
like,
holiday.
had 100 foot-pounds of torque, like at 1,000 RPM, and then the clutch you just sort of let it go and you rumble off.
Okay, so now I also
I'm
know
not used to what the revs are and the friction zone, both of them.
it's a friction zone thing. It is.
I don't think you can hear the revs.
Yeah. Well, maybe that.
Well, it's the the friction zone in between my ears.
The wood doesn't go to the top as such.
So it's got to be close to it, right?
It no, the mountains go way up higher, but it sort of wriggles on the mountain face. It never really.
Hey, thanks for picking me up.
There's no real top as such.
Wim will get the bill.
Huh?
Wim will get the bill.
Go from here. Is it straight back that way?
Recovery services.
Continue that way. Continue that way. We make a turn off to go to find a place where we can have lunch, and then the other side we make our way back.